Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will be discussing about how can you add emojis into your chat flow. Emojis can make conversations more engaging, right? In BotPenguin, you can add emojis into your chat flow messages to add a human touch. So, once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. You have to create a bot and then you can click on that bot to edit your chat flow. You just have to tap on the edit your chat flow option right here. From here, you can create a new flow as well, or you can select any other flow that you have already created. I am selecting this flow for now. So this is the edit your chat flow canvas where you can add the chat components, you can delete the chat components, or you can edit the message of that chat component from here. So to add emojis to any chat component, you simply have to tap on the chat component that you want to add. On the right hand side within the message editor, you have to place your cursor wherever you want to insert the emoji. And then if you are using Windows, you can press Window plus full stop to open the emoji picker. And if you're using a Mac, you can simply press Control, Command and space together to open the emoji picker. From here, you can pick the emojis whichever you like. As you can see, I have added these emojis and the bot has been updated successfully. Alternatively, you can also copy emojis from an online emoji library and paste them directly into the message component. And this way, you can create more engaging and relatable interaction for your users. So that was all about how you can add emojis into your chat flow on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.